Hi guys, from Coding Go Facile, and today I wanted to talk in general for all of you. As you already know, in this channel we teach you how you can earn money with arbitrage as we do. We always teach it to everyone totally free and also with a maximum possible transparency. But many people still come to the channel asking what is arbitrage or come with the wrong idea. That's why today I wanted to talk about all of this and explain why it is today almost touching the 2023 one of the best ways to earn extra income or even get to live from it. In our case, it's even a bit more complex because we act with liquidity pool and we provide liquidity to the main networks whenever it is necessary, making the network cheaper and faster, but also for the users, we get that they can close the transactions with a much smaller slippage than if they did it in the market. It will be similar to what a bank could do, or for example, MasterCard or Visa. Let's see. I'll put it as an example to give you an idea. Does not mean that it is the same, but what I want to get is to imagine the amount of transactions that we can close in 24 hours. And not only that, the best of all is the low risk, so to speak, that has the arbitrage. But it is true, just look at the amount of billionaires who have started in the arbitrage. Not to go further, the famous Sam Fried, who generated more than 24 million a month only with arbitrage. Although, of course, we do arbitrage with different assets like ETH, BNB, Crow, AVAX, or Matic. We focus on accumulating more amount of these assets above the stable value you have. I don't know if I explain myself, but the point is to say that the goal for bot or easy code, Código Fácil, is that our amount of assets chosen constantly increases, and of course, one of the risks could be in the event that the market falls a lot and logically lower its value with a USDT or BUSD pair. And I assure you that for this bearish season, it's the best way to monetize the assets that we have and to accumulate more and more for the bullish season. We are currently having one of the best months with the bot. So, well, I hope to have solved some doubts and have given you some content of value. If you like this type of videos and you like that we go giving you some good information about it, I encourage you to let me know in the comments. And if you can guys leave a good like, that way you support the channel and motivate me to create more content of this type. And nothing. Now I will teach you how to create your bot for Matic. And if you're interested in another network like BNB, ETH, or Crow, I'll leave you to a link in the description. The first thing is to have a Metamask wallet like the one you're seeing on the screen. And if you don't have a Metamask installed or you don't know how to install it, follow the next steps. As you can see, this is my Metamask wallet to which I have added 500 Matics, which is about $400 approximately, to do this live test. I use this amount because it is which the bot starts to generate better returns than normal, but you can perfectly use a smaller amount, but never less than 70 Matics. If you do not have Metamask, you can look for the link in the description and click on the link that says Metamask. This will take you to the official website where you can download the extension for your browser, and it will take you here where, in my case, as I am using Chrome, I can install Metamask for Chrome, and it will open a page to install it and create a wallet. As you can see, I got uninstalled as I already have it installed previously, but well, you just have to click there to install and follow all the steps that you mark Metamask to create a wallet. Well, now very important, we simply go up here to the right above the circle, and there we'll get all the networks. In my case, already Matic, puts Matic because we had it previously, but we must give it here to add network and select the one that puts polygon Matic. With that, we will be adding the official network of the Matic network. Once you have your Metamask wallet created, and all you have to do is simply send us funds from the exchange or wallet you want to the address of this wallet. Okay, now we go to the Remix IDE page. It is a web application that allows us to develop, deploy, compile, and launch smart contracts that are coded in the Solidity language. If you're starting in the world of development, I recommend it 100%. I leave the link in the description. Now we go to the sidebar on the left side. Here we will find a button to create a new file. Click on it and we'll call it, for example, matic.sol. Well, we press enter and ready. Now the following thing will be inside this file that we have created here. We must paste the smart contract of the bot of easy code that will be the motor of everything that happens next. For that, you must open a link that you will find in the description and copy to the foot of the letter. For those of you that have Windows, a little trick here is to press Ctrl A and then Ctrl V. This way you copy it all instantly. Automatically, we copy it and we paste it in the created file. We will get some messages that we simply accept. And now look that this must be the same as mine in just 67 lines. Well, now we go to the Solidity Compiler tab, and here we just have to make 2 clicks first in the compiler bar where we place the version 0.5.0 and ready. Now we have to click on the bottom compile matic.sol and wait for the file to compile. And perfect here. We see how the tick shows us that the file has been compiled correctly. So now let's go to this deploy and transactions tab to connect our contract to our wallet to execute the transactions in Remix. For that, we first have to select the Injected Provider, and automatically Metamask will ask us for permission to connect to the Remix IDE. In my case, I am already connected before and it didn't ask me for it, and well, you can see in account that it must be your wallet. Well, now right here in the little arrow that we find in deploy, we must set the following points in this way attentively. The first one, we put Matic bot. The second one, we call it bot. And in the third, we put 10,000. A 1 followed by 4 zeros. Perfect now. Normally, it comes up by default, but if it doesn't happen, always check that in the part here where it says contract is the initiate flash loan Matic bot function. Perfect. We almost have it. Now click in transact and we'll be asked to sign this contract, and it is very important that we raise the cost of gas. We give to edit and place it in medium. With that, it will be enough. Never live in low because it may cause problems, so better not risk it. Okay, click on save and confirm, and perfect. Transaction confirmed. Okay, we will see here a contract and the bot's functions. Now we have to copy the address of the contract by clicking here. And the next step is to give it liquidity so that the contract will be able to start trading. So we go to Metamask and send the balance to the contract address we copied. Click and send, paste the contract, and once we click on the amount we want, in my case, we're going to send 500 Matic, which is equivalent to $400. We click on next and confirm, and right now we wait for the transaction to be confirmed. It should not take long. The funds should arrive here where it says balance. I take this opportunity to comment that although it says ETH, do not worry that they are Matics, although more than one would like to make that kind of change. And here it is confirmed. Here they are. Well, so far everything is perfect now. Only remains to execute the contract and start generating profits from it. What we have to do now is to click on flash LAON and confirm the transaction so the funds start working. To confirm it, I remind you to click and edit and upload the gas rate. See, ready. Average gas rate and save. Now we just confirm the transaction and wait for it to confirm again. Perfect. Transaction confirmed. We have our matches bot activated. Now we have to let the funds work the full cycle of 24. So we will leave the bot working and come back tomorrow before the cycle is over to see the results live. Nothing, guys. See you in 24 hours. Good morning, guys. Here we again, almost 24 hours later, and now it's time to see what profitability the bot has generated. Shortly, we will receive the Matic plus the capital gains in Metamask. Oh, I think they have just wrapped. We go to Metamask. Oh, there are 574 Matics, almost 75 Matics of profit. What a barbarity. If I'm not mistaken, almost 15%. It was a good day. The truth, normally the average is in this from like 8% to 16%. Although we have had some days that we have even reached 23%. As you know, I have used 500 Matics, but you can still fill the contract with the amount of Matics you want, although I advise you to reach at least 200. As the profits improve considerably, and please never put less than 70 in the bot. This could bring some operation and losses, and we are here to generate income, not to lose them. And that's all for today. As I always tell you, easy code, or código fácil, is not only mine. I work with 2 other fellow senior developers, and the 3 of us share a passion for development and finance. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to give like and subscribe for more content. In the description of the video, I will leave all the links so you can create your own bot, plus my Telegram link. If you have any questions or if you want, I could even do all the configuration through TeamViewer. Remember that we also work with BNB, ETH, Crow, and AVAX networks. I'll leave you the links in the description. Nothing, guys.